Good evening, everybody. My name is Jamie with Southern Breakers. Today is Monday, July 10th. It is 10:26 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I do thank everybody for joining me. We are doing eBay Mixer number 23. So we'll go ahead and get started. Good luck, everybody. See if we can keep our streak going. Sad, what time is it where you are? Alrighty. Let's do Gridiron Kings first. Base. And we do have, right off the bat, for the Chiefs, Dontari Poe, patch, Masters of the Game. It is numbered 4 of 249. 4 of 249. There you go. Going to the Chiefs. Greg, that's you. Blue, Kevin White. LeGarrette Blount, red. Base. Ty Montgomery, base frame rookie card. Deion Sanders, base frame. And Russell Wilson, blue. Base. Red frame rookie, Cameron Artis-Payne. All-time Stat Kings, Marshall Faulk. And all-time Stat Kings red, Rod Woodson. Base. Kevin White, base frame rookie. Dwight Clark, Royal Performances. And Latavius Murray, red frame. Base. And first up, we do have the Redskins TJ's cards. We do have Matt Jones auto. Matt Jones auto. Gridiron art. Very nice. 47 of 49. 47 of 49. TJ, that's going to you. Congratulations. Joe Montana. Joe Cool. And red frame Julio Jones. Tony Lippett, base frame rookie. Joe Green, base frame. And red frame Aaron Rodgers. Tyler Lockett, red frame rookie card. Deion Sanders, red frame. And red frame Gerald McCoy. Base. Brett Hundley, base frame rookie card. Aficionado, Dez Bryant. And red frame Sammy Watkins. Base. Sammy Coates, base frame rookie. Jim Kelly, base frame. And Kendall Wright, red frame. Base. Jay Ajayi, base rookie frame. All-time Stat Kings, Joe Theismann. And T.Y. Hilton, red frame. Base. Stephon Diggs, red rookie card. New Aesthetic, Jamal Charles. And Dominican Sue, red frame. Last pack, Gridiron King. Base. Green, Odell Beckham Jr. And Marcus Peters, rookie base frame. And Expressionist, Colin Kaepernick. One more card. Last card is Larry Fitzgerald, red frame. That is all for Gridiron Kings. We had going to the Chiefs, the Terry Poe, going to Greg, and we had Gridiron Art, Matt Jones Auto, going to TJ. TJ, that was 47 to 49. And for Greg's card, that was 4 of 249. There you go. Alright, let's go ahead and do Prism. Alright, give me 1 second. You're welcome. Alrighty. Sorry about that. I had to print my list. Let's get Prism done. Base. And Matt Stafford. This is one of the Prism refractors. It is 86 of 99. 86 of 99. Going to the Lions. Laker Great, that's you. Jawan Edwards, refractor. And Devin Funch's rookie card. Base. Joe Montana blue. Not numbered. And Darren Waller rookie card. Base. Kendall Wright, red. You're welcome. And Bryce Petty rookie card. Base. Art Monk, red. And Bud Dupree rookie card. Base. We have Melvin Gordon, die cut. And Amir Abdullah, rookie card. Base. And we do have first up for Prism. Going to the Chiefs, Marcus Peters, auto, red auto. Chiefs going to Greg. Congratulations. 110 out of 150. 110 out of 150 going to Greg. Tony Lippett, rookie card. Base. Deron Carter, blue rookie. Justin Hardy, rookie card. Base. And we do have for the Jaguars, Lions. Ben Koyak, auto. It is refractor auto 127 out of 150. 127 out of 150. Ben Koyak going to Lions. Congratulations. And Josh Harper rookie card. base. And our next card, going to the Falcons. AJ, that's you. It is the Prism. Tie-dye. Julio Jones. Short print, 11 of 25. 11 of 25. Tie-dye Julio Jones. Going to AJ. Congratulations. Nice hit right there. CJ Anderson, refractor. And JJ, rookie card. Base. We have Big Ben, refractor. Die cut. And Justin Fowler, rookie card. Base. TJ Yeldon, die cut. Antoine Goodley, rookie card. Base. We have Matt Stafford, refractor die cut, and Cam Newton die cut. Eli Harold, rookie card. Base. Peyton Manning, die cut. Trey Wayne's rookie card. Base. Jeremy Hill, green. Going to the Bengals. And Shaq Thompson, rookie card. Base. Sean Mannion, red. And Josh Robinson, rookie card. Derek Carr is a base. We have Joe Montana, die cut. Jimmy Langford, rookie card. Base, another tie-dye. Going to the Vikings. Another late pickup going to Chris. And that is Teddy B. 4 of 25. 4 of 25. Teddy B going to the Vikings. Very nice. Very nice. Aaron Rodgers. Refractor. And Jalen Collins rookie card. Base. Jameis Winston. Die cut. Eric Kendricks, rookie card. Base. Fireworks, Odell Beckham. Air Marshals, Tom Brady. Devin Smith, rookie card. Base. Shane Carden, rookie refractor. And DeVaris Daniels, rookie card. Okay, that is all for Prism. Yeah, some good stuff. We had Teddy B, tie-dye, 4 of 25. Julio Jones tie-dye, 11 of 25. Big Ben Koyak, Jaguars. He was 127 of 150. And Marcus Peters was 110 of 150. And platinum. Just as a reminder, we do have the breaks listed on our website. 10% off right now. 10% off, so go ahead and get some spots. As soon as those fill up, we will go ahead and get it, go ahead and break it. So go ahead and fill those spots up. Base, gold, Le'Veon Bell. And rookie card, Philip Dorsett. We have gold, Julius Thomas. Amari Cooper rookie card. And we have a sick card right here. Nice. Very nice. Going to the Rams, Greg Deshu. Tigra, patch auto. That is a sick patch right there. Nice. It is 118 and 125. That is a great patch. Patch auto. Going to Greg. Congratulations. Nice hit right there. I think we're a little out of focus. There we go. Base, Jalen Strong. Refractor. Von Miller gold. David Cobb rookie card. Yeah, that was a sick patch right there, without a doubt. Base, gold, Jason Pierre-Paul, and Mariota rookie card. Base, die cut, Mike Davis. CJ Anderson gold. And Justin Hardy rookie card. Base. And going to the Dolphins. Another nice hit. Going to the Dolphins. Tony Lippett auto. Greg, also going to you. Cleaning up nicely on this break. Tony Lippett, not numbered, but nice auto there. Mike Evans, gold. Vince Melee, rookie card. Base, Frank Gore, gold. Devin Funches, rookie card. Base, Teddy B, gold. And Jamison Crowder rookie card. base, semi-coats, refractor, and Odell Beckham, gold, Devin Smith, rookie card. Base, Greg Olsen, gold. Monster Colts. Okay, let's see what we can do. Kevin White, rookie card. Base, Bud Dupree, refractor. Mario Williams, gold. Duke Johnson, rookie card. We have Ndamukong Suh, gold. Javorius Allen, rookie card. And another sick patch. Another crazy hit. Another crazy hit. David Johnson, patch auto. Sick. 15 of 40. Let's see. 15 of 40. Yeah. That is a sick patch right there too. David Johnson, patch auto. Hawkeyes, I see you in the room. There you go, buddy. Crazy. I gotta say, those are two crazy patches. That's insane. Base, Aaron Rodgers, gold. Yeah, crazy. Nelson Aguilar, rookie card. Base, Rashad Green, refractor. Big Ben, gold. And Max Williams, rookie card. See what I can do. Colts, Lions, base. Julio Jones, gold. Tevin Coleman, rookie card. Base, blue, Justin Hardy. DeAndre Levy, gold. Trey Waynes, rookie card. Base, Vernon Davis, gold. And Jameis Winston, rookie card. Base, Brandon Sheriff. He's the sheriff. refractor. Latavius Murray gold. Yes. Base ships on everything except for the draft picks. Except for draft picks. Carlos Williams rookie card. Everything else we ship base. 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 And last up, this box is on fire. This box is on fire. I'm telling y'all. Tyler Lockett, 19/150, blue auto. Lions, let's go into you. That's crazy. That's crazy. 2 autos and 2 sick patches and autos. Lions, there you go. Kelvin Benjamin gold. Garrett Grayson rookie card. Base. Julian Edelman gold. Seriously. Ty Montgomery rookie card. Alright, that is all for Platinum. And they did not disappoint. David Johnson, sick patch auto, 15/40. Another sick patch auto, Ty Gurley, 118/125. Tyler Lockett, 19/150, blue auto. And Tony Lippett, auto for the Dolphins. Yeah, no kidding. Usually it's like 1 patch auto. I can't remember exactly what's supposed to be in that, but I know it was an extra hit in there for sure. That was crazy. Actually, I think the one we sent you recently, I can't remember what else we sent you, was probably a pound of cards too. The one we just sent out was, the one we sent out today was priority mail because it was over a pound, so yeah, expect that one to be the same. Yeah, TJ, that was super crazy. Well, TJ, you missed, I had 2 101s over the weekend. 2 101s. So, this weekend has been on fire. Unsung Heroes. Darren Sproles. Base. All base. Red Zone, Greg Olson. And our auto is for the Lions. A'Shawn Robinson, auto, going to the Lions. Laker Great, going to Detroit. Base. Laquan Treadwell, rookie roundup. Amari Cooper blue. This is the premium retail blue. And base. All base. Last pack. Absolute. There you go, Laker Great. Extreme Team, Bo Jackson. Bo Jackson. And our patch does go to the Vikings. Moritz Boehringer. Chris, that's going to you. Moritz Boehringer. There you go. And all base cards. Not bad in there either. Not bad. Alright, let's do playoff. Let's see what we got. Base. We have a green for the Broncos. Here's the Broncos. Greg, this is going to you. That's another great card. Another great card. Not auto, but still. Quite the card. Paxton Lynch. It is 8 of 10. Yep, 8 of 10. Paxton Lynch, 8 of 10 rookie card. Greg, going to you. Greg has done great in this also. Eli Manning, Playoff Thunder. Mariota Stargazing, and Keith Marshall, rookie card. Base. Base. CJ Anderson. This one is, looks like it's gold, 72 of 99. CJ Anderson, Boss Hog, 72 of 99. Boss Hogs, Mark Ingram, and Keanu Neal rookie card. Yeah, I think so too. Base. Eli Manning Playoff Era, Julian Edelman Stargazing, and Darren Lee rookie card. Base. Class Reunion. Chris Martin. Terrell Davis. Andrew Luck. Stargazing, and Connor Cook rookie card. Base. And we have our next hit going to the Chargers. Big Bentleys this year. Going to the Chargers. That is Joey Bosa. Joey Bosa patch. That is 30 of 149. 30 of 149. Joey Bosa. Rookie Stallions. Class Reunion. John Elway. Dan Marino. Stargazing. Jamal Charles. And a Zeke rookie card. Base. And for the late pickup for the Bills, Chris, that's you. We do have Cardale Jones, 78 of 199. 78 of 199. Cardale Jones. Christopher, that's going to you. Awesome. Late pickup for them Bills. Playoff Thunder. Matt Ryan. CJ Anderson, Boss Hogs. And Chris Moore, rookie card. Base. Base. Dang it. Class Reunion. Barry Sanders, Troy Aikman. Derrick Henry, Boss Hogs. And Paul Perkins, rookie card. Base. Cam Newton, playoff air. Stargazing, Blake Bortles. And Cardell Jones, rookie card. Base. Class reunion, Matt Stafford, Clay Matthews, Matt Jones, Boss Hogs, and Emmanuel Agba, rookie card. Base. Playoff Thunder, Tom Brady, Devontae Freeman, Stargazing, and Nate Sudfeld, rookie card. Base. There we go. We got a purple Terry Bradshaw, 16 of 49. 16 of 49. Going to the Steelers. Going to the Steelers. Chris, that is you. 16 of 49. Cool card right there, too. Derek Carr, playoff air. TJ Yeldon, Boss Hogs, and Cyrus Jones, rookie card. Last pack. Base. Here's a really nice card. Tom Brady, 24 of 199. That is our refractor. Tom Brady, 24 of 199. Going to the Patriots. Tiger 25, that is you. Very nice. Joe Flacco, playoff air. Boss Hogs, Eddie Lacy, and Vincent Valentine, rookie card. Alright, that is all for playoff. Let me do this random for these. I'm going to roll the dice. This is for the class reunion. I'm going to go ahead and roll the dice. Even number gets the top. Odd number gets the bottom. There we go. And it is 5, so it is going to the bottom. 5 is going to the bottom. So we have Clay Matthews going to Green Bay. Troy Aikman, Cowboys. Dan Marino, Dolphins. And Terrell Davis going to the Broncos. Alright, thank you everybody for joining me. I definitely do appreciate it. We'll go ahead and get this video uploaded. And again, we do have the eBay, the website mixers listed online with 10% off with that code 10off. So go ahead and grab you a couple spots, and we will be back in a few minutes for the next break.